Hello and howdy friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and sowing the seed. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story. Strength of a father. To know, let's go. In a small village nestled between the rolling hills lived a humble farmer named Raj. Raj was known for his unwavering strength not just of body but of spirit. He toiled from dawn to dusk, ensuring his family never went hungry despite the many challenges life threw his way. Raj's son Arjun admired his father deeply. He saw the callous hand that walked the fields and the tired eyes that never lost their spark. Raj is always said strength is not about how much you can lift, but about how much you can endure and keep moving forward. One fateful year, a severe drought hit the village. Crops withered and the villagers despaired. Many abandoned their fields, believing all was lost. But not Raj. He rose every morning, cracked the dry earth with his plough, and sowed the seed, hoping against hope. Arjun saw his father's determination. He asked, "Father, why do you continue? The ground is barren and the sky shows no mercy." Raj smiled gently and replied, "Son, strength is not in the certainty of success, but in the resolve to try, even when the odds are against you. Our efforts are not just for us, but for those who come after." Inspired, Arjun joined his father. They worked side by side, day after day. Raj's perseverance became a beacon for villagers who soon returned to their field, inspired to fight against the drought together. Months passed, and finally the heaven opened. Rain poured and the land, as if in gratitude, burst into life. The villagers' crops flourished and the community was saved from starvation. Years later, Raj passed away, but his legacy lived on. Arjun, now a father himself, instilled in his children the lesson he had learned. The village thrived not just because of rains, but because of enduring spirit of a man who taught them that true strength is in perseverance and unity. In last, moral of the story is the true strength lies not in the physical might, but in the courage to persist in the face of adversity. A father's legacy of perseverance and hope can inspire future generations to overcome even in the most daunting challenges. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.